When we think about careers in the legal field, lawyers often come to mind. But there are so many more positions like paralegals, court reporters, and judges. Each year, dozens of high school teens interested in the criminal justice field take part in a unique camp at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse. As Carolina Impact's TONISHA Johnson reports, it's a hands-on experience that helps teens set some pretty ambitious goals.
No, Mr. Nichols. You didn't kill Thompson. But you did, Mr. Wells.
Perry Mason, a once popular TV show full of courtroom drama and suspense, used to draw lots of viewers. Newer shows like it now attract area high school students to programs like Court Camp at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse.
Court is now in session. The Honorable Aretha Blakely now presiding. Be seated.
The week-long camp, sponsored by the nonprofit Justice Initiatives, lets teens build murder cases for a mock trial.
She called the police at 10:32. She had 17 minutes to turn this decision over in her head.
But I want you to kind of mark where the evidence is.
They also comb through crime scenes.
When you come on a scene, you have to learn how to collect the evidence, how to collect it properly.
You use your crime scene to build your theory about how this crime occurred.
As campers build their theories, they discover that if they really want to get into law, they'll have to be prepared in college to get their hands dirty.
So every summer we bury a pig and we dig up a pig, and that's for our forensics. So pigs decompose like our bodies do, and so they study all of that, the decomposition.
Neighbors have said that
they get the inside scoop from professionals like public defenders and crime scene investigators. In doing so, they realize working in the field of law isn't an easy task.
So you have to be really prepared to work hard, but that being said, it's so much fun seeing all these different careers. You meet all these different people and they all have a different take on like what it means to be involved in law.
But see, it's not really about the money. It's more about a passion.
A passion to help people no matter what side of the law they're on.
They met at Mickey D's location with 4 other people, 2 of which we believe are women due to the lipstick marks on the cups.
Fourth-year court camper Reagan Riddick has her sights set on becoming a forensic psychologist.
And my job gets to kind of help figure out why a criminal committed a crime. Is he really insane, or is he just pretending like he is? And that's always been a fascination of mine.
Aaron Allen hopes to become a criminal defense lawyer.
When he woke up, he was going to shoot her and the 2 brats. You're a mother, man. How would you feel? Wouldn't you want to protect your kids no matter what?
He says defending clients would allow him to help them get a second chance.
You want to be there for those people who messed up.
While students learn a lot about legal and law enforcement careers, camp organizers say one of the most valuable lessons they can learn now is how the judicial process works.
So the reality is most people don't understand what happens at the courthouse, and what they see on the news is not really an indication of what happens here.
And that's why students appreciate this unique way of learning.
As a citizen growing up, now I will be able to understand how our legal system works and be able to be a more active member of our society.
Right now, Kaylee Eberhardt thinks it's cool learning about crime scene investigative work.
We think that OxyContin was sitting over there in that chair. And during the commotion, he took some of the money and started running. And Mickey D saw that and started trying to shoot him.
She wants to get the most out of her camp experience.
I definitely want to have a positive impact on people's lives with what I do.
Richard WACHOWSKI feels the same way. He came to court camp 4 years ago and later landed an internship at the courthouse where he answers questions from people trying to make sense of the legal process.
The court system is not an easy system to navigate. The paperwork we offer is very, very complex, and being able to, in some way, assist them really motivates me every day. And
he's now enrolled at NC State and plans to study law. He says court camp was like an appetizer.
I definitely hope to have now a greater focus on doing work for pro se litigants, pro bono work, ensuring that I'm able to use my education.
Back in the courtroom, Kaylee makes her closing argument to sway jurors.
Ladies and gentlemen, she had 17 minutes to retrieve the gun from where she had hidden it. Keep in mind, no one else knew where it was. Ladies and gentlemen, she made her choice. And now it is time for you to make yours.
In the matter of U.S. versus Dominique Stevens, we the jury find the defendant not guilty.
Whether or not these kids enter the law profession, organizers say the camp will help them become a more informed citizen in the future. For Carolina Impact, I'm Tonisha Johnson reporting.
Thanks, Tanisha. This year, students also toured the Mecklenburg County Jail, interacted with a court clerk, and sat in on live court cases. If you want to find out more about the program, look for this story on our website.